Welcome to the Attracting Money exercise. This exercise is part of the Life Transformation System Z and is brought to you by loveattractionvideos.com. Hello, my name is Nathan Romano and I would like to give you a brief introduction to this exercise. This following exercise is part of the Life Transformation System Z, also called the Clear Talk. This exercise will allow you to manifest as much money as you desire. It is an amazing exercise and the results are sure to follow, as long as you do it the way described here. Now, it's very important to know and remember that money is not all in life. You can have lots of money, but be unhappy. The main thing in life, the main goal, the main purpose is to be happy, and to be happy, to be wealthy, we need to have everything we desire in the 12 areas of life. To find out which are these 12 areas and to know how to attract the things you desire in them, we invite you to join our courses in our sites. One of the ways to find out about this is that can be found at Law of Attraction Videos. Well, let's begin this exercise. The first step is to take a clean sheet of paper and a pen or a pencil and divide the sheet of paper in two, from the top to the bottom, drawing a line down the middle. Next step is, on the top side of the page, on the left side, you would write "in the universe." On the right side, you would write "in my own universe." Underneath each section, you can add the titles place and amount, like so. As you can see, we have the sheet of paper here divided in two, with the "in the universe" on the left side and "in my own universe" on the right side, and underneath each one of those is the place and the amount. The next step is, on the left side, in the universe side, write down a list of all the places that you have money, or that you have money coming from, or that you owe money. If you owe money, you put it in a negative number, like so. Here's an example of a list. Let's say, for example, that I have in my Royal Bank checking account $1,000, that I owe to my Royal Bank credit card $30,000, that I receive a monthly paycheck of $1,500, and that I owe my neighbor Tom $50. The idea here is that you have to put down all the places that you have money, even if it's a jar, a drawer, your purse, your pocket, any place that you have money in some shape or form, even if it's a nickel, even if it's a dime, whatever it is, if you have some money, put it down. This will allow you to consciously know that you have money somewhere, somehow. Next step would be to write down on the right side all the same places you wrote on the left side. Then you write down the amounts that you would like to see there. If you don't want to owe anything, or if you don't owe anything, you just write down a zero, like so. I wrote down the exact same places I have money coming in, coming out, or owed. And then I wrote down the amounts that I would enjoy seeing there. When I mean enjoy, this exercise, the best way for this exercise to work is to feel good when you write down the numbers. The numbers have to wake up inside of you a sensation of wellness inside. So, you need to feel good when you write down the numbers. You could write 1 gazillion, but if the number 1 gazillion does not make you feel good, then don't write that down. Just find that number that makes you feel good on that particular part. For example, if you have investment in stock, you might not want to put in stock $5 million because it's a risky business. It might make you feel nervous. So make sure that you put numbers that make you feel good. As you can see here, I put down the amount I would like to have in my checking account, the fact that I owe nothing to my credit card, My paycheck, I loved it to see increase, and I owe nothing to my neighbor Tom. Now, if I wanted Tom to owe me, I would put it in positive numbers. I would put 100, for example, and that would signify that Tom owes me $100. The next step is to know here, as I say, that all the numbers just make you feel good. Just to the point of make you smile. If you read the list on the right side and the numbers make you feel good, smile, laugh, then it's good. You must keep that. If the amounts don't do this to you, you have to change them and put ones that do. The next step is you tear down the paper by the middle. You throw away the left side. You can burn it, tear it up. You can do whatever you want with it, just don't keep it. This is the in the universe side. And you keep the right side, in my own universe side, where you wrote down the numbers that make you feel good. Then read again that side and enjoy the good feeling that it gives you. To make this exercise work, you can repeat it as often as you feel necessary. You can do it every day if you feel like, and just notice the changes. It's very important to note when you start enjoying your new fortune, just so you know that this exercise works. This is an example of how the page looks after you turn it up and keep the right side. After I read it, I feel good.